Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to update theme in Shopify. So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to the setting option. You can find the setting option here, and now after that just scroll down and go to apps. And now here what you need to understand that in order to update theme, so just you have to visit the notification center, just as you can read here. So every time they have sent the update of theme, so when the theme updates are available, so you can easily update your theme. So just as you can see, we are using simple dawn theme in Shopify. So when the notification is appeared, so whenever they send the update, simply you have to visit the notification center and click on the button to update theme. So in this way you can easily update theme in Shopify.